A dog's daily routine. 16 cute English sentences for animal lovers. Think that you are a dog. Let's see it. What they are feeling. Good morning. Time to wake up and stretch. Let's go for a walk in the fresh morning air. Breakfast time. I love my crunchy dog food. I drink water to stay hydrated. Time to play fetch in the backyard. I nap in my cozy bed for a while. My owner gives me belly rubs. They are the best. Let's go to the park and meet other dogs. I run around and chase my favorite ball. Snack time! Threads are my favorite part of the day. I sit by the window and watch the world go by. Dinner time! More delicious dog food for me. Evening cuddles with my owner on the couch. Another short walk before bedtime. I curl up in my bed, ready for sweet dreams. Good night. Tomorrow will be another fun day.